With every advent of another revision of our wireless technologies, we get a little something extra. And when we go move to 802.11 AC Wave 2, we get a very cool little feature called MIMO. A feature called MIMO. Multiple user, multiple input, multiple output. Okay, so we said before that with our standard MIMO configuration, multiple input, multiple output, that if I had a device and we had multiple antenna, that some of the data could be sent on one spatial stream. Some of the data at the same exact channel and frequency could be sent out, but at a different angle. And since I have two antenna on each side, well, then I can have essentially two simultaneous signals at different angles to each other. And so we could break it up, we could double our bandwidth. Awesome stuff, love it. So with 802.11 AC Wave 2 MIMO, we say, well, okay, we've got these great spatial streams, but what if one of those spatial streams was directed to a particular client and a different spatial stream was directed to a different client? In other words, what if at the exact same time, at the exact same frequency, at the exact same channel, I was able to take my different antennas on the access point and say, okay, here's a signal that is going to user 1, here's a signal that's going to go to user 2, here's a signal that's going to user 3. Wow, I'm simultaneously able to send out data to different users at the same time. So completely different frames are now being sent. So it's not just the same frame redundantly. It's not just the same frame broken up into different pieces sent across different spatial streams. I'm like, I got these different spatial streams. I've got multiple clients. Why don't I spread that bandwidth around? Suddenly we are moving toward, we're not there yet exactly, but we're moving toward the direction of a full duplex environment. So if we've got half duplex over here, where you can only send or receive, and we can only have one user of the wire at any point in time, this moves us to where we'd love to be, which is full duplex, where we can send and receive simultaneously over all channels at all times. Well, this doesn't quite get us there because we only have so many spatial streams. And whenever we lack those streams, then again, whatever binding we have to these streams, we'll use what is available. And again, there's a whole negotiation process that's associated with that. But the benefit moves us in this direction. We're getting closer toward a full duplex wireless environment because we're simultaneously able to send to multiple users different frames. Same channel, same frequency. Amazing stuff. So that's MIMO.